In this video, I'll be sharing with you what real estate investment is, types of real estate investment, and benefits of real estate investment. All right, let's dive in and get started. So, what is real estate investment? We said that real estate investment involves purchasing, owning, managing, renting, or even selling real estate properties to generate income and also achieve capital appreciation, or both of them. Now, it is a popular avenue for wealth building and can be classified into several types based on the purpose and strategy of investment. Now, I want to look briefly at the types of real estate investment. Now, the first one is called the residential real estate, and this involves properties like houses, like apartments, and vacation homes rented or sold to individuals and families. For example, when you're buying an apartment to rent out for monthly income, so that is a residential real estate investment. Secondly, we have the commercial real estate, and this includes office buildings, retail spaces, and warehouses used for business purposes. For example, when you're investing in a shopping mall to lease to businesses, that is a commercial real estate investment. Then we have the industrial real estate. Here we talk about properties like factories, storage facilities, and distribution centers used for production, storage, and logistics. An example again is buying a warehouse to lease to logistic companies. Also, we have the retail real estate. Here we're looking at properties like shopping centers or individual retail stores, which includes leasing a storefront to a retail brand. Now, another real estate investment is land, and this includes undeveloped land, agricultural land, and lots more of future development. An example includes purchasing vacant land in an area expected to develop in the future. And we have quite a lot of landed properties in this area, where people buy land for the purpose of investment. And finally, we have the real estate investment trust, otherwise called the REITs. Here we're looking at investment in companies that own and manage income generating real estate. For example, buying shares in a REIT that invest in commercial properties. Now, aside looking at the types of real estate investment, we want to quickly also look at the benefits of real estate investment. Now, the first benefit of real estate investment is what we call passive income. When you have a real estate investment, you're guaranteed a passive income. Here we're looking at rental income, which provides a consistent cash flow. And this is one of the biggest benefits of having a real estate investment. You can always have cash flow in its passive form. And secondly, we have appreciation, because property values generally increase over time. If you look at landed properties bought probably some 10 years ago, even 1 year ago, within a short period of time, the amount will appreciate and you can sell eventually for a higher price compared to what you bought it. So we say that property values generally increase over time, leading to potential profits upon sale. Also, we have another benefit of real estate investment, which is diversification. Real estate adds variety to an investment portfolio, reducing risk. So it helps you to diversify your investment. So if you had your investment in other financial assets or other types of investment, then you can diversify your portfolio by also adding a real estate investment. Also, we have tax advantages. So there are certain tax benefits such as deductions for property expenses, which are available for those who are investors in real estate. Now, there are also risks that are associated with real estate investment. One of the major risks of real estate investment is market fluctuation. Property values can decrease due to an economic downturn or oversupply. So sometimes it's possible to have the market fluctuate and the price of a real estate asset can actually reduce rather than increase. It's possible, it can happen. It's one of the risks of doing business in the real estate investment space. So we have liquidity issues. Real estate is not as liquid as the stock or bonds. So we can experience some liquidity issues with real estate investment. Other one includes maintenance costs. Upkeep and repairs can be expensive. When you have to maintain a property, it can actually have its own associated cost, which may be a little bit on the high side. And also we have management challenges. Managing tenants and properties can be time consuming or require hiring a professional. There are some tenants you may not be able to manage yourself. You may need to hire a professional, and that will increase your running cost. Strategies, in real estate investment. We want to look at strategies in real estate investment. So these are the following strategies that works in this industry. One, we have the buy and hold, and this involves acquiring properties to rent out for long-term income and appreciation. So you buy a property and you hold on to it for maybe some months or some years, and during that period you expect the value to have appreciated, so that by the time you're selling, eventually you're selling at a higher rate compared to what you bought it. Now there's also the strategy of fix and flip. Now this involves buying properties to renovate and sell quickly at a profit, and that's very straightforward. You buy a house, you renovate it, you add new features, new accessories, then you flip it at a higher rate, everything within a matter of a short period of time. Then we have the real estate crowdfunding. Now, this is pooling money with other investors to invest in larger properties or developmental projects. So you can have a group of fellow investors where you pool money together to go into large projects, and with the hope of making a good return over a period of time. And there's also the short-term rentals, and this involves renting properties on platforms like Airbnb and other associated platforms for higher short-term returns. All right, so that's all I want to share with us on what real estate investment is, the type of real estate investment, and other things I've shared today. If you enjoyed this video, just click the like button, rather share this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment in the comment section. And if you need a real estate property to get started with real estate investment, just look at the comment section of this video, or you can also look, if you're watching on Instagram or other platforms, you can actually go to the bio section. You will see our contact details there, and you can reach out. We can give you advice on the kind of properties you get. We have properties all over the country where you can actually invest in and start your real estate investment in earnest. I'll come your way again in the next video. Take care, and it's bye for now.